Coxreels LG-LPL-125 LG Series Little Giant Compact Low Pressure Retractable Air/Water Hose Reel, 1/4 Coxreels LG Series Little Giant is the first lightweight, heavy-duty reel on the market. The LG is perfect for commercial or industrial applications where space or budget is limited. It is extremely lightweight and compact and can install almost anywhere. This little giant can accept either a 1/4 or 3/8 hose to tackle the jobs of reels almost double its size. Models with hose are for air or water service with a maximum temperature 150 F. Models without hose can be used for air, water, or oil. Made in the USA, Coxreels manufactures hose, cord, and cable reels and accessories. The company, founded in 1923, is headquartered in Tempe, AZ. Click on the Coxreels link above the product title to visit the Coxreels brand page to see more quality products from Coxreels. Please scroll down the page to the From the Manufacturer section to see a detailed explanation of this product's features. Please watch the video at the bottom of the image list to learn more about key features of the LG series. Click on the enlarged image to see additional images, dimensional drawings, and parts list. Download installation, maintenance, and warranty information in the download section. Under the main image, click on the Coxreels link above the product title to visit the Coxreels brand page to see more quality products from Coxreels. Coxreels LG-LPL-125 LG Series Little Giant Compact Low Pressure Retractable Air/Water Hose Reel, 1/4. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.